Hello my friend, this is Mansoor. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why you are unable to speak English fluently. My friend, when I came across my friend, so he was telling his problem. So he was telling me that, so when I asked to him that, do you know all the basic things about English? So he was saying, no, I don't know, but I'm trying to speak English. So due to that reason, he was not able to speak English. And if you are doing the same thing, of course you will be unable to speak English until you know all the basic things especially. This video is especially about beginners, so if you are a beginner, so you need to watch this video till the very end and you will understand all the concepts which is quite necessary for you to understand or speak English on a daily basis. So keeping all those things into your mind, you have to just start the journey of speaking English and you'll be fluent over a period of time. So this is what which you gotta do, and I'm gonna tell you so many things in this video. So due to that reason, watch this video till the very end, and because you are gonna get so much good information out of this video. So the first thing which I'll recommend you that you have to follow, you have to just learn the basic of the English. Until you know the basics, you will never be able to speak English fluently. So due to that reason, you have to learn basic first, and of course it will take some time to learn all those basics. And once you'll be able to learn those, that will be a child's play for you. Then you'll be able to start the journey of English. So I'm not saying you'll be fluent by learning basics. Of course you'll have to learn some more things to be fluent. But but your basic is clear, then you'll be able to communicate in some way. Then your English will be to some level, at some level. So that's the reason you have to learn the basics first. And if you are a beginner, of course you'll have to face some sort of problem, and in the beginning, my friend, you need to put a lot of effort to learn this language, because if you are not putting that much effort initially, then that is gonna be quite hard for you. So that's the reason I'm saying that you need to put a lot of effort in the beginning, and as the time passes by, you will be able to learn all those things and you will be able to speak English fluently. But initially you need to put so much effort, and you gotta learn so much thing. Initially, as I told you before, that you have to prepare your basics first, and that is gonna help you a lot. And in basics, you can prepare like simple sentences, tenses, modal verbs, and passive voice is also important. And so these are all the things, and preposition and conjunction. So I told you that you have to prepare simple sentences, tenses, modals, prepositions, conjunctions. All these things you have to just prepare, and you have to be aware about all those things. And if you are not aware about all those things, then you will have to face a problem. But that's why I'm saying that you gotta prepare, you gotta just make a command over it, and then you'll be able to communicate in a simple way. And if you are not be fluent, then of course for that you have to put a lot of effort. But that, as I told you, that as the time passes by, you'll be fluent in English one day. So you have to just keep effort on a daily basis, and one day you'll be able to speak English and like the other person who is speaking in a fluent way. So it's not that much big deal, but initially you'll have to put so much effort to learn this language. And the first thing which I told you, that you have to just start learning basics, and if you will be able to complete all your basics, then that is gonna be very useful for you, and since then your English will start improving. So keeping this fact in your mind, that I have to complete my basics first, will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. And that's the thing which I have to say in this video, and I think you have got my point, and you have to follow all those things. And if you are not applying, just watching my video, and after watching my video, if you are just going on to another video, it's not gonna help you. You have to watch the video till the very end, and of course you have to watch this video and apply all the things which I have told you in this video. And please let me know what is your opinion, that what should we do to be fluent in English. So let me know your opinion in the comment below. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and that's all which you gotta do. And let's talk about another thing in the another video.